Hello, Estetica. Hi. I just wanted to tell you I love these 4 new wigs. I cannot wait to show them. So let me call you back because I got to go show everybody. Bye. You want to see 4 brand new styles from Estetica? Just keep watching. Hi and welcome back in. I'm Eileen. I'm so excited today to show you these 4 brand new designs from Estetica. You know, normally I don't do collections. I usually just do individual videos. However, I had this opportunity and I could not pass it up to show you all of these at one time. These were provided and are available for pre-order at WIGS Studio One. I will put the information about order dates and everything in the drop-down box. Just go down there and get all the information. And please, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. Okay guys, I'm going to go through this fairly quickly because I want to make sure I show you everything about these styles. This one is called Arlo and the color is RH1488 RT8, a color we all know and love. Look at this adorable curly shoulder length textured wave wig. Lots of movement here. So as you can see, it is beachy waves. Beachy waves are not going anywhere, y'all. People are still loving them. And as I've told you many times, I think they're so popular because I think they work for most face shapes. This has a lace front. And this one's going to be available in around 14 different colors. All right, the fit of this, it fit me a little large, which that is normal for Estetica for me. I have a 21¼ inch head circumference and I did use the adjusters to bring it in. Now, permatease, yes, this wig has permatease all over it. Absolutely, running through the nape, up into the back. I definitely feel permatease all over it. Now let's talk about the cap. This has an extended lace front, a mono part on this one. It is open wefted. It has an open nape, and you see it has the hook adjusters. But I think it's adorable. I love the shape of this. I think during the holidays are coming up, you could easily pull this back and leave a little down here. It would be so pretty. There's going to be a lot of styling options with this length. Now, RH1488 RT8, I'm going to insert some outdoor lighting. It has a base of dark blonde. That's the 14. Now the 88 is the highlight color, and we all know that's a light blonde, and then it's on this dark brown root. Make sure you see that. This is just, you know, a classic color for Estetica designs. The specs, the bang on this long bang is 9.5. The sides on this are 8 inches and it has a 10-inch crown. This is just adorable with a 7-inch nape as well. Okay, let's look at the next one. All right, next up, this is Maxx, and this color is RH1226 RT4. Such a just adorable short style, a little longer here. As you see, it has a couple of pieces that just kind of frame the jaw there. This one is very sleek. I'm going to show you the inside of the cap. It's really, really beautiful. This is going to be available in around 13 different colors. And I just think this is so cute with these little longer pieces that come down like that. I haven't had one like this, and I think, wow, it's different. It's something we haven't really seen that much of. So if you're looking for a really short, sleek bob, this might be a good way to go. Again, the fit on this one, it fit me a little large. I took it in with the adjusters. Permatease, now this has a mono top. I'm going to show it to you. It goes all the way to here. Very nice, large mono top. I feel some permatease right on the perimeter of that. Of course, none in the back, none on the top at all, of course, with the mono top. Just a slight amount here that I feel like we need just to kind of give us that shape. Really pretty. Let's look at the inside of the cap. Again, temple to temple lace front. Large mono top, so you can part it anywhere within that mono top. Closed ear tabs. Again, an open nape with the hook adjusters. Very well done. Here's a look at the lace front. Maxx, this is adorable. Let's take a look at this color, RH1226 RT4, light brown. Chunky gold blonde highlights, as you can see on this dark brown root. I love the highlighting. I personally like a little chunky highlight. I think it kind of gives it that wow look. I know a lot of people don't like that. This definitely does have it though. I want to make sure you see that that has the chunky blonde highlights, but I think it's really, really trendy without being too trendy. And I think it's just a beautiful color. It has the darker root again. Now this bang is 6 inches. It has a crown of 5.5. Then it has that short 1.25 inch nape. Fits really nicely on the neck. It's not lifting in any way. Let's have a look at Jayce. How adorable is this pixie? I have been waiting for a new pixie. I haven't had one in a while that I really liked. And when I put this one on, I thought, oh, this reminds me of Jet. And you know how much I love Jet. But this one is called Jayce. So cute with this long sweeping bang. This one is Caramel Kiss. It's really textured, so a textured pixie with long bangs. Same fit as the others, a little large on me. Permatease, yes, there's some permatease in here. Now this is the most basic cap of any I'm going to show you. There is a mono crown. So it looks like it's growing right out of your head right there. But otherwise, this is a basic cap. So of course, it's going to have some permatease. I don't feel like it's a huge billowy amount of permatease. And I think you can see that by the shape of this. But yes, there's definitely some permatease here. Not at the nape, but definitely right through here, giving it that shape. But oh my goodness. Yes, I really, really like this one. All right, so let's look at the inside of the cap of Jayce. Like I said, it's a basic cap. It's called their Pure Stretch Cap, mono crown, open ear tabs, open wefted, open nape with the hook adjusters. Just adorable. Now, Caramel Kiss, golden brown with light copper blonde highlights. That is a perfect description of this wig. Look at the highlighting, done so well. One of their most popular colors. The specs. The bang of this is 3.5. The sides are 1.5, short sides. The nape is 1.75. Let you have a look there. I like this nape. Again, fits nice and tight to the neck. It doesn't lift in any way. All right, we have one more to look at. Okay, here's the one you've been waiting for, your long, sleek one. This is beautiful. This is Fallon R30 2826, my favorite Estetica red shade. I predict this will be a very good seller. It has what everyone loves. It has the long, beautiful silhouette. This is a shoulder length. You see that. It has beautiful movement. This is going to come in 17 colors. I think that's amazing. Again, exact same fit as the others, a little large. I took it in with the adjusters. Didn't have any problem with that. This has a beautiful mono top. And as far as permatease, very, very minimal. Very minimal, if any. I don't feel any at the nape on this wig. No, if any, the slightest amount, but you can see this is very, very sleek. Let's look at the inside of the cap. Extended lace front, large mono top. I love that, so you can part it anywhere. It has closed ear tabs, extended open nape, and of course the hook adjusters. I did a beautiful job with this cap design, and I just think that, like I said, I think this will be super popular. Okay, let's have a look at this beautiful color, RH30 2826 Auburn. Of course, it's a medium auburn. I love it. Blended with light auburn and golden blonde. And I think the blonde in this is so pretty. It keeps it, kind of brings it up a level. It brightens it up a little bit, I think. But I've fallen in love with this color. I have several styles in it. I think it's a wearable red. I think also this is a good place if you are thinking about, oh, I want to try a red. You might look at this one if you're blonde and you want to just start with a little red. Have a look at this color. It's really, really nice. The bang on this one is 10.5 inches long. The sides are 9.5. It has a crown of 12 and its nape is 5.5. So pretty. I believe there is something for everyone in this collection. You know, we went from pixies all the way to this longer, a little longer than shoulder length. So there is something for everyone. There's different cap designs. They had a home run with this collection. Again, be sure to look at the links below at WIGS Studio One. Thank you so much, WIGS Studio One, for sending these over to me. Please like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Leave me lots of comments and tell me, what do you think about this new collection? Are you going to try any of these? If so, what color? I can't wait to hear from you. Thanks again. I'll see you next time.